Hello drivers, this is Alex. I'm gonna show you how to install a pull-up bar in a Volvo truck. Can probably be done on a Freightliner also and other trucks, but this is a Volvo example. This was not my idea. I got it from other drivers. Not sure if they shared it on YouTube or not, but I'm gonna share it so that you guys can do some pull-ups or stretch your back after a long day. I gotta tell you, this pull-up bar worth installing just for stretching your back when you get done with your 11 hours of driving. So this is a 72-inch pipe. It's a 3/4 inch, and you buy all the parts at Lowe's or Home Depot or other hardware stores. I think this pipe was like maybe 20 bucks, 25 bucks, and then after you buy the pipe, you also need to buy this kind of a strap, 2-hole strap. This is also 3/4 inch. They sell them in the electrical section of the Lowe's or Home Depot. Then buy some bolts with nuts, bolts and nuts, and a lock-in washer. They're all same sizes, 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. This hole right here, it's a little bit smaller, so you're gonna need make the hole bigger. Pipe straps, 3/4 inch straps in the electrical section, and this they sell in the hardware section of the hardware store, Lowe's. I bought this at Lowe's, so altogether maybe like 30 bucks, 32 bucks for everything. So buy all of this, then what you do is these two cabinets, they're level. If you mark, you open this up, and from the top on this side and from the top on that side, when you mark this strap from the top, you mark the holes, then you drill them with your drill bit, and you do the same thing on the other side, and this should be pretty level. Then just put the strap, strap from this side, the bolts, insert the bolts, and screw on the nuts with washers, and your pipe should be in place, secure in place. I weigh like 160 pounds, so this I just use 2 straps, 1 on each side, and it holds me no problem. So just depending on your weight, how big you are, you might have to install 2 more